days. Yesterday there were 2 helicopters that had to come in, that had to land in the parking lot. And it appears to me that there's another one coming today. What I saw earlier was one come in, fly around, and leave. And I'm assuming that it just wasn't going to land in the parking lot, so it just left. It looks to me like now they're planning on moving this helicopter so the one can come back and land. Not sure how this is saving minutes and saving lives, but this is a perfect reason and a perfect example of why this helicopter should be based at the airport and not here at the hospital, because somebody's life probably hanging in the balance at this point right now, because this helicopter is immovable. So here comes this one. It's going to have to land in the parking lot because this helicopter is broken. It's August 18th at 7 p.m. So it's about 7:25, and this helicopter is leaving from the parking lot. Minutes is usually the amount of time the helicopter stays on the helipad if one comes in from outside transport.
You said there's just a little blip.
There was. Plenty of time for a helicopter to leave from the airport to its destination and still have time to pick up the patient.
Remember when watching TV was simple and free? Now there are tons of apps, subscriptions, and passwords to it. It can be simple and free again. Fandango is free with no login required. Trump said that the U.S. is currently not engaged in